8th Standard English 3.3 Truth Warming Up Workshop. Warming up. Question number 1. A. Write down 5 things that make you very happy. For example, our team wins the match. When I get gift from someone. When teacher praises me in the class. When my parents fulfill my demands. When I participate in any competition. When I go for a picnic with my family. Question number 1B. Write down 5 things that are hard to forget because they had upset you greatly. For example, my best friend quarreled with me. My friend told a lie. My grandfather's death. When I failed in scholarship exam. I did not get first prize in competition. My teacher scolded me in front of the class. English workshop. Question number 1. Read the poet aloud and recite it with a proper rhythm. Question number 2. Find from the poem 2 lines, each that contain the following figure of speech. Alliteration. First, sticks and stones may break my bones. Second, stones and sticks break only skin. Repetition. First, sticks and stones may break my bones. Stones and sticks break only skin. Second, slant and curve the forward shots to pierce and stick inside me. Question number 3A. Pick out from the poem the synonyms of injury, bruises, delicate, tender, ache, scare, embarrass, mortify, cured, healed. Question number 2B. Pick out from the poem the antonyms of forget, remember, flat or straight, curve, make, break, rise, fall, outside, inside. Question number 4. Answer in your own words with the help of the poem. Write them in your notebook. A. What object can cause injury to your body? Answer. The sharp and pointed objects may cause injury to our body. B. How do harsh and bitter words hurt the poet? Answer. Harsh and bitter words are like slant and curved swords. They deeply hurt the poet's sentiments. C. What can heal faster body or the mind and hurt emotions? Explain your choice. Answer. Body can heal from any scare faster than our mind and hurt because when our mind and heart get hurt, it disturbs us for a long time. It is quite difficult to come out of the trauma. D. Why are harsh words called roasts? Answer. Harsh words are called roast because they hurt our emotions, and insult caused by words disturb our mind for a long time. E. What does the poet want you to keep in mind when you speak? Answer. The poet says that harsh language hurts our mind and heart, which lasts for a long time. So the poet wants us to keep in mind to use very kind and gentle words when we speak. Question number 5. Find the rhyme scheme of the stanza number 2 and 3. One is done for you. Stanza 1, A, B, C. Stanza 2, A, B, C, B. Stanza 3, A, B, C, B. Question number 6. Just as words can hurt and leave a scare on the mind and heart, words can also heal a person in distress. Write in your notebook an experience of your own which proves that kind words relieve distress. Answer. I was failed in first GK exam. I was totally in stress. At that time, my mother told me to keep cool and calm and said, believe in yourself. It is not the last exam of your life. You can give many such examinations if you think positively. She advised me, be confident and don't lose hope. You can do better in future if you try your best. So leave your negativity and try again. These words of my mother gave me an inspiration, and I tried my level best for the next exam and passed with first rank. Question number 7. Complete the following. The title of the poem, Truth. The poet of the poem, Barry Wade. Theme of the poem. We should not say anything bad to anyone. We should use words carefully. Number of stanzas 3. Rhyme scheme ABCD. Figure of speech, alliteration and repetition. The line I like. Pain from words has left its scare on mind and heart that's tender. Question number 8. Summarize the poem in short in your own words. Consider these points to summarize the poem. First, I identify who the speaker is and who the poem is addressed to. Second, I identify the main points in every stanza. 3. I express them in short, simple sentences in your own words. 4. I explain implied meaning. 5th, I retain the order of points. 6th, I write down the points making short paragraph for the stanza. 7th, I conclude the summary with the overall theme and meaning of the poem. The speaker of the poem, Truth, is Barry Wade. The poem is addressing this poem to the poet is addressing this poem to the readers. The poet says that sticks and stones may break our bones and skin, but the harsh words that we use trouble a lot. The poem compares words with slant and curved swords which pierces us deeply. The things like bats and bricks may hurt us physically, but the harsh word that we use hurt our emotions deeply. Our physical injury can be held easily, but the scars due to hard words on our mind and heart are very delicate and remains forever. So we should use words carefully while speaking. Thanks for watching. If you think this video was helpful to you, please like this video and subscribe to channel.